Hi guys, you have probably heard of this monkey, but is it actually invincible? Today we're going to be testing that out. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, this is test number 1. It's just going to be slamming it on the floor. This is level 1. Alright, let's go. I just smashed him on the floor 35 times, and this is what he looks like. His head is just smashed in, but it didn't damage him at all. Alright guys, test number 2 and level 2. I'm gonna throw this monkey like a baseball at that tree. That one. Alright, let's go. Uh-oh. I missed. Retry, okay? Alright. As you can see, I don't play baseball. I just missed again. But I can throw this really hard. So, here comes from.
Oh yeah!
Okay, after that 3 times, finally, it got him a little dirty. It just incaved his side. So far, he's invincible. Okay, guys, for level 3, we're gonna smash this guy in this grill. It's gonna hurt him. Hopefully, he does not break. All right. Put him right there. As you guys can see, that did absolutely nothing except for a little mark. Yeah, he's invincible. We're gonna try a few more things all the way to level 5, and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, now we're gonna be dropping this monkey off of my balcony. Look at this. See how high that is? I'm not gonna put the phone over it, but it's a long drop. Probably about 30 feet. We're gonna see if this monkey will survive it. All right, let's go. Okay guys, in 3, 2, 1. All right, Jax, go get that. Go get that, Jax. Here, show us it. Show us it. No, don't put it back. Show us what it looks like. Yeah, he's invincible. This monkey is just invincible. For level 5, we're gonna run over this monkey who survived pretty much everything with a 16,000-pound car. I know, it's insane, but we're gonna do it. All right. Okay guys, here's our 16,000-pound car. My little brother will be driving it today. All right, here's the monkey. 16,000 pounds is insane. Yeah? I bet it'll smash him. Yep, go. Go, go, go. Keep going.
You okay?
Let's take a look at this guy. Thanks for watching. Go check out some of my other videos. Okay, the damage. It didn't even flatten him. It's just fine. You guys subscribe, because I only have like 3 subscribers, and I put in hard work on these videos. Guys, my brother just broke this thing when he was stretching it. I know, I was editing the video about to post it, and now look. There's sand all over the table. Where's the guy at? Jeff, where's the guy?
It's fast.
It was trash. Yeah, look at my sister's hand. Yeah, it just popped because he was stretching his arm. Well, it happened.